before I pass this world, before I pass them by. Yes, these days, yes, the moon is up above me, and the clouds are all around. I can feel something happening, but I can't really explain. No, I can't really explain. I feel the tension of the moon because it's sending my waters flowing inside me. These hidden rivers that you can't see, not in front or behind me. It's always making me aware of the things that I should not be doing. It's making me see that the clouds and the rain fade away.